It's my favorite time of year. The Christmas house tour is finally here. I didn't just mean to rhyme, but I did. So, you guys wanna come inside and see how it turned out? It's pretty cute this year. Come on in. You guys, it's finally my Christmas house tour. Are you so excited? Look at your little Christmas sweater. So cute. Okay, I'm so excited today to show you guys my entire house for Christmas. I'm gonna take you through each of the rooms, point out some of my favorite things that I did, and kind of walk you through the theme that I went with this year, which is a little bit different than I have ever really done. This is year 3 in this little teeny tiny apartment, and I tried my best to make it look and feel different. So leave me a comment below and let me know if you think I accomplished my goal and made it feel different. Also keep in mind, I'm going to try my hardest to find everything that I show you guys today online or something super similar so that you guys can find it. So make sure if you want to find, if you have any questions about any of these things, go to my blog, liveyourstyle.com, and look for the holiday tab. Click that and it'll take you to a page that has all of the things that I have been talking about in all my Christmas videos, so you guys can find it. Without further ado, should we jump into starting this Christmas tour? We're gonna start in the kitchen. Let's go. Okay, I am here in my kitchen. A lot of you guys actually left comments on my Instagram that you were hoping that I would do some Christmas decorations in a kitchen and or a bathroom. You wanted some inspiration for how to decorate those specific rooms. So here you go. Over here on my windows, I put simple green garlands kind of draped on either side. I kept it really simple. I just wanted it to be kind of organic and clean because that's kind of how I like my kitchen to be. And then behind me, I swapped out a few of my art prints that I used to have here on the gallery wall, and I put in some festive prints, one of which is a Merry Christmas. Which reminds me, my theme for this year that I picked was a Berry Merry Christmas. I found this one particular pick that I put in my tree, these beautiful frosted berries, and I thought, wow, these are so pretty. It kind of feels frosted and organic. It's not super deep red, but it's also not bright red. It's kind of in the middle, and it kind of took me in the direction that I ended up, and I love it. It's kind of a mix between farmhouse and traditional, and I think it turned out really cute, but I'll get to that later. So in here, I just switched out the art prints, added some greenery, and then of course, ooh dear, added a very unstable candle. Okay, let's go check out the bathroom and I'll show you a few of those little design changes that I mimicked in here in the bathroom. Small changes make a big impact. Let's go. Okay, so in the bathroom here, in general, bathrooms are usually smaller spaces, so you want to be careful not to overdo it and put like Santa all over the bathroom. But if you're like me and you like white, you can keep things pretty neutral in here. If you really want to, you can change maybe your soap dispenser to be something cute. You can change your towels to be kind of Christmassy. I kept mine normal because they're white, so they fit in with the Christmas theme. And I also added a Christmas print above the toilet to give it some more festivity. I found this adorable tray. It's great because I can totally use it year round. It's not just holiday themed. But then I put in a candle that had my berry vibe to it. This little reindeer crossing sign, and how cute is this little Santa? Hello, Santa. I like your outfit. Let's move on to the living room. Before we go to the living room, I'm gonna show you the office and my bookshelves. So in the office, I was inspired. Here are said berries that I mentioned earlier. I just loved the vibe of them. So I did not, like I said, I didn't go with super dark or bright red. I went with a little bit darker, almost like deep, I don't want to say wine colored because it's not, but it's almost there. It's really cool. Okay, so on my bookshelves, I kind of went with a very traditional theme in the sense that I like picked different items that are very Christmassy. Like I embraced the Santa Claus this year because he's just so fun and jolly and happy. So I added a lot of different like cute little Christmas trees, a lot of different Santa figurines that I thought were sweet. And I also added Santa's house and Santa's phone because they matched my color that I was going for. And because they're cute. I wanted to include some creams and some neutral colors. So I achieved that by getting these really simple, almost like milk bottle shapes and also these really awesome wood Christmas trees that I thought are super adorable. And then if you'll notice, I kept some things the same, like the plant on the top shelf and my fabulous Kinfolk Home book, because I love that. And instead of a pumpkin, I put a moose. But I kept the books the same because I just like the look. I just switched it to be more applicable to the season. See, it can be really easy if you just find something you like and then you just stick to it. I also got an advent calendar for the first time in my life. I've never had one of these calendars, but these are fun. And look how cute. It's like super Scandinavian, but still has my red and my green and my wood. Okay, here in my living room is where we did the majority of the changes. You will notice half of my sofa is gone because we wanted to fit our nice big Christmas tree. I uploaded a few days ago how to decorate, well, how I decorated my Christmas tree, and I gave you guys some of my tips on what you guys should do on your trees, but it's big, and our tree kind of came into the sofa, and we just thought, you know what the heck, let's just take half our sofa out. So we did. I also added some really cute little pillows to our sofa, some festive ones that had our nice little berry color that I love. And then look at this one. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and it's an Advent pillow. I've never seen an Advent pillow before. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Unfortunately, I may not be able to link this one because I got it from HomeGoods, but I'll try to find something similar for you. And then on my coffee table, I just kept it simple with one scented candle and then 2 candles that are non-scented, but they still give the vibe and balance out the table. And I just stacked it on some books. Pretty simple, but still gives you that ambiance that you need for cozy holiday living. Okay, let me show you my Berry Merry tree over there. Let's go. Our beautiful berry tree. Okay, I wanna know, did I accomplish my goal? Remember I told you my goal was to make it feel different in here because we've been in here for 3 years now. Like I said, took out the sofa, and I feel like it honestly just made this all nice and open. You're really living with the tree. It's a beautiful tree, and I don't know, I just love it. And look at these spinners. Guys, if you didn't see my video on decorating a Christmas tree, spinners are the way to go. If you know my mom, she's obsessed with spinners. Look, you use these little glittery balls or balls that have some sort of dimension to them that catch the light in a different way, and it just truly makes your tree come alive. So if you guys want to find out other tips on how to really create a magnificent, beautiful, wonderful tree, go check out that video. I'll link it below. But let me show you the mantle. Okay, so for the mantle, all the way over here on this side of the house, it's a long walk, I know. It's exhausting, really. I have this cute little garland. I just got my own garland. All my other garlands that I had before were from my mom. They were hand-me-downs, but I'm a big girl now and I bought my own garland. Very proud about that. I found this garland. I will link it below. I really recommend it because it comes pre-lit and it has all the fixings in it, like the pine cones and like some different kind of textures of greenery, which I like. And then I just added a few picks, the berries, of course, and some extra fading twinkle lights in between just to kind of give it more dimension. I think it turned out great, and it's really, really easy. And then obviously we got our cute little stockings. I got this one last year from Hearth & Hand at Target. I still love it. And then I got this guy, I think at Crate & Barrel, but I don't know, I'll link it. Check it out below. I really love how this whole thing here came together because I don't know, I just feel like, you know, we used to have that big like heater thing that didn't work down here. Well, we took that out last year and we put a bunch of wood in there, which was really cool, but I wanted to do something different and I wanted it to fill up the space. And I found all these berry colored pillows, so I just thought, okay, great. I'll stick them in this little basket, kind of pile them high, and I think they fit perfectly, and they kind of are like framed really well with this little thing going on here. I just love it. I think it turned out great. What do you think? Leave me a comment below. Thumbs up. Okay, last but not least, let me take you into the dining room. My bowl got a facelift, really a hair lift. He got a flower crown, let's be real. But it's holiday themed and it's cute. It's kind of funny, but I had this little small wreath. I didn't know what to do with it. So I thought, hey, why don't we just put it on the bowl? That'll make him really festive. And Tyler liked it because then he didn't have to take this whole painting down or photo down and put it in the garage. It's kind of a big deal. So we just kept it and dressed him up a little. I also wanted to do something on this wall over here because in past years I haven't done anything just because I don't know why. I just wasn't really going for that much of a traditional theme and I didn't really have the correct garland to do something up there. But since I bought some new garland for myself this year, I wanted to kind of frame the window. And it was super simple. I just literally put a nail in the top, put a nail on either side of the corners of the windows, and put 2 pieces of garland swagged on either side of the window. Very simple, very easy. And then I just put in a couple sprigs of picks, put a couple of different size ornaments. The key is to do large, medium, and small, and then put a bow in the middle. I think it looks really cute. I love how it turned out. I think it ties the whole space together and it gives me some sort of focal point on this wall, whereas before it was just an empty blank wall. Now with the centerpiece, we are not gonna be home for the holidays this year, so I didn't wanna do a full table setting with all the plates and the drinks and all that stuff. So I just wanted to keep it simple. I used some wood here to kind of tie in some of the natural elements I have going on the bookshelves, and it ties in also with the pieces of wood that I have next to the mantle. I wanted to keep that kind of consistent in this cute little boat of a centerpiece. And then I honestly just threw this little centerpiece together. I had some leftover picks from my tree and I had some leftover ornaments and I just kind of smushed them all together, made it look cute, and called it a day. And I think it turned out really nice. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. Merry, Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope you loved my 2018 Christmas home tour. That was so fun to film. I can't believe it's gonna be 2019. That's insane, but I am so excited that Christmas is right around the corner. I hope this got you in the festive mood and inspired to decorate your own homes. If you guys do decorate your houses and if you use any of the tips and tricks that I taught, please leave a comment below and make sure to tag me in it. Please post your pictures of things that you do in your homes on Instagram or Facebook and tag me in it. My Instagram is Shara Stevens. I would love to see them because I love it. I love when you guys send me that stuff. Makes me happy. I'm going to try my hardest to put everything in the description box, so check that out below. Click the link to go visit the blog and check it out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday with your family and friends. This is the happiest time of year, so go get some hot cocoa, snuggle up on your sofa, and watch a good Christmas movie. And I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. By the way, we have a really fun series coming up, and it includes Tyler and Scout and maybe Elena, and it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned. See you in a little. Bye-bye.